Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Chapter 1. How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC changing DNS. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Now right-click on the adapter and select Properties. After that, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Here, check the box. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the desired address. Remember that thanks to this change, you will have improvements in your internet speed times. Click OK. Chapter 2. How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC adjusting modem. To start, in any browser, enter the IP address of the network gateway. You will need to enter access credentials. After this, check if the configuration allows you to make adjustments at the level of that location. This depends on the device permissions. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.